Okay, so I have a project that I'm going to start. This faucet and sprayer are messed up. Actually the faucet, works, but it leaks. And but the sprayer, like when I use it, it gets stuck on, and so then it sprays me all over the place when I try to use it. So my cousin Teresa, thank you Teresa, gave me this whole setup here, which is way cool. So the project today is for me to replace that. So when I looked under here to see what was going, how, it is all attached and everything, oh look, I have a leak. Yeah, that was basically right here. This was pulled apart, and as you can see, it's still kind of a little light leaning. I think I'm gonna just try to see if pushing it back together. I put a new seal in there, so maybe that's going to work on that, but it's really not my focus. So it's just kind of, that's what I saw when I opened this up. Darn it. And so what I'm going to do is go in here and replace all this. So I'm going to take all this out. I've already turned off the water, so I turned off the water here and here. And then also this one had, as you can see, this is an old house and old stuff, but that right there, it doesn't have to be off because I tried the water. It's not coming through, but it's there, but it's only on one side, not on both sides. So you guys, I'm going to go get some tools and we're going to get started and I'll get into it and we'll see, if it's going to be good or not. Anyway, yeah, just follow along. So I went out into my car and I got my tool bag. I carry this in my car. I drive a 95 Honda Civic that has 340,000 miles on it. So, you never know when you're going to need some tools. Anyway, as you can see, not everything fits into this little bag, but I have a crate and I put everything in there. These are just some odds and ends. Anyway, tools that I needed for today, I thought would probably be my crescent wrench and then my channel locks. So I have the two of those. I don't have vice grips. My dad did, so I went and grabbed some vice grips, thinking maybe I might need them. Hold on, let me show those to you. Yeah, vice grips. So I got those. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here, so you guys just keep following along. Alright, so I'm under the sink. I already disconnected these hoses. I thought I was videoing and I wasn't, but anyway, so see right here, these connections, right there, these were attached to there, one there, and then one over here. I used the crescent wrench. Got those off. They weren't on there very tight, so that worked pretty well. This hose that's right here, that is attached to that sprayer, but I'm not going to need that because, as you can see right here, and on the other side over there, those are how that faucet is attached here to the sink. The one that I'm putting on here only has one hole. Only goes through one hole. Goes right through the center. So we'll see what's going to happen with that. But I kind of think the sprayer, I'm hoping I can just pull it through there. If not, then we'll figure it out. It's kind of broken anyway, so I can just cut it and get it out of there. All right, so follow me. Alright, so I'm under here and I'm going to see if I can get that loose by my hand first. Haven't tried yet. Nope, it's on there. Oh, wait, I got it a little loose there. Maybe. Nah, basically, it's not happening. So, I'm gonna grab, I think probably the channel locks. I think maybe that will work. See if I can get that out with the channel locks here. I just got to get a little leverage on it. So got these, and I'm gonna put them right here on. So now I can turn it. I think. Oh yeah, that worked. Felt like some more loose. Came right loose. Yeah, that feels like maybe it's loose enough. I can use it by hand now. Yeah, there we go. Just had to kind of break it loose. So come on out with that. Bring your knot out. Then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. All right, so those things are so long, and I think the reason that they are, and you know what, it's just kind of spinning. Oh, there, I got it off. Okay, so that is that one. And now over to this other side. Let's see if I can, I think I can reach it. Let's see if it's going to break loose. Nope. So get those channel locks back out. Hold it right there. Turn it lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. I have to say that to myself all the time, and then when I'm upside down, you know what? That doesn't make sense, right? Because which way's left? I'm upside down. I don't know. Anyway, got that one off there too. So guess what? We're going to pull this baby out, see what happens. So that's coming next. So I'm going to go ahead and get that off of there. This is kind of exciting. I'm kind of wondering what's going to happen when I take these out. I'm going to have 2 holes in the sink, right? So I got to figure out what I'm going to do about that. Stick some flowers in there? What do you think? I bet most plumbers wouldn't think so. Anyway, yeah, is that coming? Oh, yes. Okay, good thing I was on this side instead of that one, huh? All right, coming up. Okay, so I'm back up here out from underneath the sink, and yeah, this, whenever I loosened all that underneath this came loose, sure enough. And look at how yucky dirty it is. So I'm not going to make you guys watch me clean it, but I am going to clean it, and I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it out of there, so just squish all those together and you can pull it out. Okay, so the thing that I was wondering about was pulling that hose through there. Well, it's not going to work. So what you do is the sprayer is right here, and you just unscrew it off the top. See, I just unscrewed that off of there, and now I can pull this out. I can pull this out right here, and then all of that will pull right through. Well, I don't know if I can do it with one hand, you guys. I may have to just do it anyway. That is all gonna come off of here. That's all coming off here. And I'll pull it through there and then through the other end too. And I'll have that done. All right. So I'm gonna get that off of there and then pull it through and then do some cleaning, and then we'll be back. So I ended up just cutting it. I just cut that hose off because I don't need it. This is trash. This is going to go to the trash. It isn't good. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull that out of there. All this stuff just kind of thinks it wants to stay there. It's been there a while. It thinks it's happy. But it's not. Well, maybe it was, but I'm not. Push that down. Pull this up. Pull this right. Okay, gotta get under there. See what it's stuck on. Oh, where is it stuck? It's right here. There, got it. Now it'll come right through. All right. There you go. All right. Now, clean up. Preparation. Gonna be cool. Okay, so I clean this up a little bit. When I have water, I can clean up, you know, what's else is showing. I know that at the stores you can buy a piece that goes over this and covers it up and is more decorative because these holes are going to show when I'm finished. But right now, just because I want my water back, this is a Saturday. I live in a small town, and the main lumberyard closes at noon, and it's past noon, so I won't be able to get that today. Yeah, this is a last minute thing I decided to do, and my sprayer sprayed me all over the place. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this put in there. Okay, so with this gadget here, this black hose right here has this. This weight is what brings that sprayer back down again whenever you're not using it. It has this ring on it right here. That's a seal. That's going to go, I think, on the underside. So I'm going to take that off. This right here goes under the sink as well. Has the screw on. It was just kind of on here. As you can see, this is used. So it was a nice gift to have, though. So I'm unscrewing this. Because it's going to go down underneath the sink, and yeah, it's coming off. There we go. So that's off there, and then this will come off too, because it's going to go under the sink as well. So hopefully that will come. Yeah, there we go. I had to look. It's got a hole. So you put that hole in there and put that up there. Then we're going to screw this back onto that underneath the sink. So this is all going in here. The seal. I'm going to take that seal. You know what? It's going to go in here now. I think. I may be doing it wrong, but that's what I'm. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in there right now, and then I'll pull it down tight once I get it in there. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm taking this, and I've got all these goodies, all this part here, this weight. I hope it goes through that. Will that go through there? What do you think? It won't. Oh no. So that means that I have to undo it. I have to undo that off of here, and it will get attached on the underside, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. So yeah, there it is, pulled through, unscrewed, and then I'm just going to take that, see, and it will pull through there. Oh, look, you want to make sure you got that ring. That ring came off, so we want to make sure we put that back in there. All right. Okay, so I did end up unscrewing this from this. It did come out whenever I worked on it. And so now I stuck this back in. I pulled the whole screw here, pulled it out, and now I'm going to attach this underneath. Yep, I got these two holes here. I can get plugs, I think, to just put on there, to put like over the top of that at the hardware store. I'm hoping so. If not, then I'll figure out something else to do, because that's what I can do. So I have these three parts right here. I have the ring, I have the brace, and then I have the screw. So I'm going underneath to attach all those now. So here we go. Okay, pretty simply, I'm taking this ring and I'm going to put all of this stuff in the middle of it, like so and so. And this third part right there, all of that right in there. And when, well, I can't find it now. Oh, yeah. So that ring will go right up there. And when I put that brace on it, it will put that ring tight. So I'm going to grab that brace. It's over here. So here's the brace, and it's going like this, and everything's going to go in between this part of it, and there's, as you can see, the bolt that's hanging down right there. That bolt will go through the hole there, and I know, you guys, my videoing's not good, and I really should have someone helping me video this so that you could see. But anyway, that's see, going up there like that, and it's going to pull tight, and it's going to, oh, whoops, guess what? I forgot the ring, so get it up there. Get that ring up there. Then ring up there, and now I'm going to put this screw, the bolt, in here. It's kind of being a little contrary. It's hard to do one-handed, you guys, but guess what? I got it. So now all I have to do is put the nut on it. Okay, so my phone needed to be charged, so I kind of missed some of the process that I was doing, but I did get that brace up there, and I got that screw screwed on it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Okay guys, I got this on here, and it's working. Got water coming out of my faucet here. See, look, I covered those holes. I put this can on here for right now, and I got my little pan that I put my stuff in there. Always keep my cutting board back behind there just because it's handy that way for me. So under here, I got that brace up there, screwed it down pretty tight, not real tight, because I may, like I said, I may put that plate in there. Something else might be done, so I didn't want it real tight. Get the cold water and the hot water on there, and then this is the sprayer nozzle right there. It goes to the sprayer. Got that weight put back on it. See, it's down here. I had to actually unscrew that weight. Let me see if I can show it to you. See, so yeah, there's that weight. So it has screws on it. See, on the side right there, it's got a little, I think it's a Phillips screwdriver. Use that on each side, and it just came apart so that I could feed that through the faucet, and it worked. And then I put it back on there once I got it through there, thread through. So this is, it's good enough for me. It's working right now. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. So, whoops. Okay, maybe not happy with that. Okay, so, yeah, this is coming through. I pull right here, see, and I got my sprayer, which was on, actually, so I gotta, yeah, so it's spraying. It's good. I'm happy. Alright, thanks guys for following along, and, you know, it's just me. I'm just a single woman getting it done. Alright? You guys have a good day.